Day 7 of building my six-figure VE life. Hi, I'm Emily, an e-commerce virtual assistant na nakabase dito sa Albay, Bicol. 6 a.m. pa lang, nagising na kami para mag-prepare for our Sunday worship service. By 7 a.m., kumain na kami ng breakfast and by 8:30 a.m., nasa church na kami para mag-set up at asikasuhin yung mga assigned ministries namin. Today, gusto kong i-share sa inyo yung mga importanteng bagay na natutunan ko bilang isang virtual assistant. Number 1, you don't have to know everything before starting. Kung ikaw yung tipo ng tao na laging naghihintay na maramdaman mong ready ka muna bago magsimula, minsan hindi ka nito matutulungan kundi madidelay ka lang. There's nothing wrong with preparation. Magandang practice yan. Pero kung hanggang preparation ka lang at hindi mo ina-apply yung natutunan mo, hindi ka rin mag-grow. Habang ikaw naghihintay ng perfect timing, yung iba nagsisimula na kahit konti pa lang yung alam nila. Kaya mas nagkakaroon sila ng experience at resulta. Number 2, surround yourself with people who push you to grow. Connect with people who are hungry to learn and improve. Yung mga taong itutulak ka sa growth, iko-correct ka kapag mali ka at hindi ka lang basta ito-tolerate. Having a circle that supports your vision and celebrates your wins creates a huge impact sa growth mo. Number 3, always reflect kindness. In my 7 years as a virtual assistant, hindi ko tiningnan yung mga co-workers ko as a competition. Mas pinili naming magtulungan. Kaya kahit online lang kami nagkakilala, naging magkaibigan kami. Sobrang blessed ako na nakatrabaho ko sila at kahit magkakaiba na kami ngayon ng companies, tuloy pa rin yung support namin sa isa't isa. Number 4, be grateful always. Always look back kung saan ka nang galing at kung ano yung buhay mo before. And don't forget the people who became part of your journey because they also became part of your growth. At higit sa lahat, always be grateful to God. Siya ang pinagmulan ng lahat ng meron tayo. And remember, what you have is not only meant for your own consumption, but also to be shared and used to bless others. Skills can be learned, but character is built through humility, gratitude, and integrity. Hanggang dito na lang muna for today. So, kung curious ka what life looks like as an e-commerce virtual assistant, come along with me, follow the journey, and let's see where day 100 takes us. Yan lang. Thank you and God bless.